Hey you, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new little toy that I think I really might like. I've seen so many reviews on this and I decided to get it, try it out, and of course not this video but the next one I'm going to compare it to my BlendJet 2. What I'm talking about, let's open it and see what it is. Are you guys ready? Dun, 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 dun. Move this box out of the way. It is, hold on y'all. It is the PopBabies portable blender. I have seen so many reviews on this portable blender. So I finally decided to purchase one. I actually, like I said, well, you see the box. I got it from Amazon. I'll put the link down below if you'd like to read the reviews yourself, get the price of it, because actually I do not remember. I think it's about $31, $32, something like that, if I'm not mistaken, but you can go check it out yourself. But it is a mini mixer, and like I said, this is completely new for me because you know I always have my BlendJet 2, my always reliable portable blender, which I love. But I wanted to give this a try because it has raving reviews on it. It is a USB charging, lightweight, personal size. It is powerful, as it says, 22,000 RPM. Okay, it is built-in blade, no accident injury, easy to use, one button operation, easy to clean, blend to drink all in one cup, and dishwasher safe. As I'm not going to compare to BlendJet 2 because I'm gonna do another video on that, but yeah. Okay, and it's versatile. Fresh juice, shaken smoothies, baby food, salad dressing, and protein shakes. Okay, and then you have all kinds of material, frozen fruits, fresh fruits, ice, vegetable seeds, powder. Okay, and non-toxic, BPA free, and FDA approved. Okay, and then you got the rest of it in other languages, but I'm English, so. All right, so we're going to get us a try. We're going to open it first so we all can see how it looks or whatever. And I'm just showing you the package, and we're going to open it now. Take that off. All right, so it comes in plastic. Okay, it has some goodies inside. I'll take that out in a minute. Okay, as you see from the outside, it has a little button to press. It has a handle. Let's see if I can back this camera up some. Sorry, guys. Okay, it has a handle. Okay, that you can carry. All right, and I've been trying to look. It's not. It don't take much to open this. Oh, okay. It doesn't take much to open. As you see, if you want to clean it, the blade is in the inside of this, so it's not actually on the base as the BlendJet 2. But like I said, I'm not comparing right now. Okay, we're gonna twist this top off. I'm assuming like you can drink it from this right here. And I'm trying to see how you take the blade off. I think it twists. Let's see. No? I may have to read the instruction to figure it out. But anyway, it does have 14 ounces. Okay, so that's a good enough amount. I just seen a light. Let's see. So I'm assuming when you connect it turns blue or purple. I have to read the instructions to make sure about the colors and everything. On the back is it has a little opening here for the USB cord. I think it's a USB. I don't know if it's USB-C or just USB. We're gonna see. All right, let's see what's in here. Okay, it does come with a ice tray so that you can put, you know, you don't want to put big clumps or big hard, you know, big chunks of ice inside your blender since it's so small and portable. So it is good to have these little ice trays, you know, if you want to add ice to your smoothie or whatever you're making. This is the instruction manual. okay, which I'm probably going to look at just to give y'all, you know, idea of the colors and what they mean, or got, you know, give it to me on the next video. I just wanted to unbox it and see how it looks. There's something else in here. Let's see what this is. Okay, you might have some, oh, you got some goodies. You got smoothie and juice recipe. You got 50 smoothie recipes. Really? I'm good for a recipe. Okay, I love recipes. So these are 50 smoothie recipes in here. And then you have 10 juice recipes for weight loss and diet. Now, you want to lose some weight and you want something simple and easy. This may be very helpful to do. You know, they have like kid-friendly green juice ingredients. Orange, lemon, green apple, baby spinach, or leaf kale. I think this is just like little simple recipes. Then you got 38 juice recipes. Now, this I know is going to come in handy. I'm really going to use this. But yeah, this is really good to have starting out using your PopBaby portable blender. All right, so it also comes with, I don't know what this is. I got to see what it is. Okay, so I opened this and it looks like something that can go on the top of your blender. Can y'all see this? Okay, I think it goes on top, so it helps guide you to put your fruit in. I'm assuming that, you know, it can go in there easily without it falling off or anything. I'm assuming this is what it is. I don't actually see anything that shows about it unless I overlooked it, but I think this is what it is. It helps guide the fruit or the juice in there. And I think that it's probably really easy to clean because it is a silicone feel to it. So yeah, it's really easy to clean. Okay, so the charger is USB-C. It does has a USB cord, but the end to charge is USB-C. So I'm going to give it a charge, and what it does say is please charge it first when you, please charge it first when you first use this blender or after not used for a long time. So as you know, anytime you get a new portable blender, you want to fully charge it. And this one is recommending to charge your blender 3 to 4 hours when first using, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on charger just to see how far along it is, because sometimes when you do get your new blender, it may be fully charged or it may not be because it's been sitting for a while. But I'm going to charge it just to see. And once I charge it, we're going to make a smoothie. I'm actually going to put some water in this as well so I can freeze it just to see how it turns out. And we can put some ice cubes in there, make a blender, try it out so I can show you all how the PopBabies really work. Okay, so I just plugged the charger in, and the red, it says, means that it's being charged. So the red light is when the blender is being charged and becomes blue when it's full of charge. Okay, so I'm gonna let that charge get blue and then we'll go from there. So I just put some water inside of the ice tray and I'm going to put it in the freezer now. Okay, so it has been several hours later, well, about 4 to 5 hours later, and as you see, it is fully charged. When it's fully charged, it will be completely blue. So I'm going to pull out the ice tray and see how that looks. And here's the ice tray. As you see, they are frozen little ice cubes. That's so cute. So we're going to make a smoothie and see how it turns out. All right, so now I'm about to make a smoothie. What I'm going to do is just use some frozen fruit, and I'm going to use a little bit of organic coconut water. I don't have to put any of the ice cubes in there since I'm using frozen fruit, but I'm going to put a couple of them in there just to see how it does, to show you how it chops up the ice. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I know that I showed you could put like the silicone thing up there, but I'm just going to break them apart and probably put about 4 or 5 pieces. Look how little and cute that is. I probably should put the fluid in first, but oops, I'll put that in a second. I'm gonna do 4. Okay, and then I'm gonna pour my fluid, and let's see, please full of charge. Yeah. Okay, we already know that. So like I said, the measurements are on the side, so I'm only going to do about maybe there, what's that, about 3 ounces, 4 ounces. Okay, now I'm going to put in my frozen fruit, and you can use frozen fruit, you can use fresh fruit, however you want to do it. Preference is yours. I always like to use frozen. It's just some strawberries and pineapples, and this has peaches, mangoes, and grapes as well. Let's see. Make sure I get me a couple of grapes in there. I love mango, so mango got to go in there. And all right, I'm not gonna put too much. I may need to put more liquid. I'm gonna put a little bit more coconut water. Okay, now let's give it a blend. All right. Okay, just like my blend jet. When it's flashing, I'm assuming something is stuck. Oops. So it's best, I'm sorry you guys, it's best to turn it upside down before you begin to blend. Then you turn it. Okay. Let's see. Try it again. So what I'm going to do is pour a little bit more of coconut water. That should be good. Okay. All right, let's try it again. All right, I'm gonna give it another go. All right, it is done. I'm assuming, yeah, it stopped blinking when it's complete. So I have it blended to the consistency that's pretty good for me. And you may could just drink out of this. Yeah, you can. You can take this off and you can just drink right out of it. I keep dropping this top. You drink it right out of it, and this made about, let's put it down and see. It made about 10 ounces. So I'm just gonna drink right from here and see how it tastes. As you see, it is well blended. It did blend up all of the fruit. I have a couple of them that are still not blended right here, but other than that, I did about 3 cycles. And you may have to add more, you know, just add a little bit more fluid if you would like to kind of thin it out. But with frozen fruit, it's going to take a little bit to get them all, you know, chopped up or whatever. But as you see, the consistency is good, and so I am about to give it a try. First taste test. It tastes okay. I don't usually use coconut water. This is the real deal, but I don't really use much of coconut water. When I'm making my smoothies, I usually use apple juice or water. But I could taste it. It's real fresh, so it's not a bad. But we're not here for the taste of the smoothie. We're here for the consistency and how the PopBabies blend. So far so good. It blended good, and I could give this an A. I'll give this a go. So I think you all, if you want a portable blender, this will be one that will be good to try out. All right, so that's going to be it for this video. As you see, I gave you my firsthand review on the PopBabies portable blender. If you would like to try this out, again, I'll put the link down below. Where I got it from Amazon. You can go there and purchase you one if you want to try it out and read the reviews for yourself. But that's going to be it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.